Today we will assemble 9U server rack. When we will open the box we will find 1. Top and bottom cover. 2. Glass door 1 piece. 3. Front pillars 2 pieces. 4. Rear pillars 1 piece. 5. Side covers 2 pieces. 6. Back cover 1 piece. 7. Some screws. Take bottom cover, put on plain surface, then take front pillars and fix it on front side of bottom cover. Then fix back pillar, usually it's come in square shape. In next step we have to put top cover and screw it tightly. Each side there are 8 screws. Then put rubber piece at the side where you want to be lock the door. In next step we have to put small hinge with washer at bottom side. Then fix the glass door with pulling the hinge and fix in the hole of top cover. Then put the lock in the glass door hole and tight it with the help of nut. Unscrew the screw of lock and put lock plate and screw it. Fix the back cover with the help of 4 screws. In last step we have to fix the right and left cover.